Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about the BJT, bipolar junction transistor. So, a transistor is a semiconductor device which transfer a weak signal from low resistance circuit into high resistance circuit. So, it means transistor, it means transfer resistance. That's why it is named as transistor. From transfer we are taking tran, from resistor we are taking sister, transistor. Okay. So in this this is the transistor principle. The transistor, it acts as a switch. Okay. So just you can see, if the gate pulse is given, the current, there will be a current flow. Just act as a switching device. So, a transistor, it has three terminal, namely emitter, base and collector. And it has three layer. One is NPN or PNP transistor. So, how the transistor is formed means, it is based on the connection of two back-to-back diode. We can form either NPN transistor or PNP transistor. Okay, so here the current is always flow from P to N, from emitter to base or base to emitter. So this is the current direction of the transistor. And so the operation of NPN transistor, so NPN, N-type semiconductor, P-type semiconductor, N-type semiconductor, it has three layer, NPN and okay la. So here the terminals are namely emitter, base and collector. So it has two junction, one is emitter base junction and another one is collector base junction. So for emitter base junction we are giving the forward bias, and for collector base junction we are giving the reverse bias. So when the forward bias voltage is given, the negative terminal of the battery, which is repels the electrons. So the electrons can move from N region into P region, from emitter to base. But the base, it does not contain sufficient amount of space. So only out of 100, only 3% of electrons can recombine with the holes in the base, and remaining 97% of holes can move from P type to N type. Again P region into N region, that is base to collector. But the collector is already full. So the electrons in the collector region, that will be attracted by the positive terminal of the battery, which is connected across the collector and base. So the electron, it flow from N region into, that is emitter into base into collector, and collector into the battery. Through battery, again it will be circulated to the emitter, base, collector, like that. So the electrons will be always getting flow. So this flow of electron is nothing but current. If the electron is flowing through collector, it is collector current. Through base current. Through emitter, it is an emitter current. And for the PNP transistor, so PNP, there are PNP transistor used. Here the emitter base is same forward bias, collector base is reverse bias. So here the positive terminal of the battery, which is repels the holes in the P region. So the holes can move from emitter to base, from base to emitter, from base to collector. Again that holes will be attracted by the battery, then it will be circulated in this direction. At this opposite direction, there will be a flow of electron. Okay, that is the minority. Charge carrier is nothing but an electron. That electron can flow opposite to the holes flow region. Okay, so this is the operation of PNP transistor. So here normally an emitter is an highly doped, and base is lightly doped, and collector is moderately doped. And with respect to size, base is very thin layer, and emitter is moderately moderate space, space, and collector is compared to the emitter and base, it has huge size, huge layer is there. And this is the assessment. In a transistor, dash is moderately doped and large in size. Emitter, base, junction or collector? So put your answer in the comment section, and these are the few references. So thank you.